Hi, I'm Banprit from Learn English Quick with Banprit. Today we are going to learn 6 common proverbs that we can use in our daily life and what do they mean so it is easy for us to understand them better. So are you ready? Let's get in. English is a widely used language all over the world, and there are so many phrases and expressions that we can use in our daily life. Some of the phrases that are exactly made for the situation we are into, and we can use them with practice. All you have to do is spare at least 15 to 20 minutes a day and you can learn them. So before starting what those 6 proverbs are, let us focus on what does the word proverb mean. So basically proverbs are short, wise sayings that give advice about the life. People use them often in social or business situations. You can upgrade your English by learning and listening to them and try to understand what they basically means, and you can prepare yourself. In this video, I'll teach you some common proverbs including don't bite the hands that feed you, don't count your chickens before they are hatched, don't judge a book by its cover, don't bite off more than you can chew, and more. So you noticed they all started with the word don't. We may have some similar sayings in our own language, but we will be learning what they actually mean in English language with their meaning. So the first one is don't bite the hand that feeds you. In Hindi it means उस हाथ को मत काटो जो आपको खिलाता है. Means you are ungrateful, you are unthankful, you are unappreciative towards the person who is helping you or who has helped you in the past. You are not showing the respect to him. For example, there is a story, the gardener and his dog. One day, the gardener and the dog went to a fountain. The dog fell in the water and was struggling to get out. The owner ran towards him, rushed towards him and put the dog out. The dog bited on his hand. So he was ungrateful. The dog was ungrateful towards his own owner who helped him out to get out of that situation that was not good for him. So this was don't bite the hands that feed you. So the next is don't burn the candle at both ends. In Hindi it means बहुत देर तक बहुत ज़्यादा परिश्रम कर थक जा, दोनों सिरों पर मोमबत्ती मत जलाओ. मीनिंग क्या कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपके पास समय बहुत कम है और आप चाहते हैं कि मैं उस समय में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम कर सकूं, कोशिश करते हैं कि मैं बहुत सारा काम कर सकूं और रात को देर तक जागूं और सुबह जल्दी भी उठूं ताकि मैं उन्हें पूरा कर पाऊं. Means you try to do too many things in a short period of time, so you have to stay late at night and get up early in the morning so you can finish it. There we use this proverb don't burn the candle at both ends. दोनों सिरों से मोमबत्ती मत जलाओ. Means you are trying to do numerous things in a short span of time and it is making you feel exhausted or it is making you tired and you are sleeping late at the night and rising early in the morning. So it's kind of exhaustion or feeling like it's something lack of sleep. Means you have to maintain the balance. And the next is a very common, we are using this proverb and we are hearing this proverb daily from some or the other persons, maybe on the television or someone is saying we are having conversation with. And this proverb is don't judge the book by its cover. And in Hindi it means किसी को उसकी आवरण से मत आंकिए. Means you shouldn't judge someone or just because you have heard something about that person and you are framing something in your mind that is completely not relevant or that is not the exact scenario without knowing the full situation. And a very classic example of this is you are at a store and maybe at an Armani store, and you are looking for something that suits your personality, and suddenly a woman enters the store and you just see her and say, oh, how is she dressed up? I think she's just window shopping, or maybe she's not capable of buying anything from this store, and how has she entered this store? Oh my god. And so much more in your head is just framing up. But what happens in the end is she bought up ending some of the merchandise, and you are really shocked to see, oh my god, I didn't know she could buy so much from the store just because she was not appealing, or she was not you were not finding her suitable to stay at the place at that moment, doesn't mean she's not capable. So this was all about don't judge the book by its cover. So moving on, don't cross that bridge till you come to it. The meaning in Hindi is उस पुल को तब तक पार मत करें जब तक आप उस पर तक पहुंच नहीं जाते. And a possible meaning may be don't worry about the problems before they arrive. That means you are just wasting that moment thinking about something that will happen in future, and you're just feeling stressed about it. You're too much messed up, you're too much frustrated, you're just thinking, overthinking, I would say. So we say over there, don't cross the bridge till you come to it. And what is the best example for that? The example is you're just sitting idle and there is something coming in your mind and you're thinking, यार अगर ऐसा हो जाता तो क्या होता, और अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही है, पता नहीं वो सही होगा नहीं होगा. Means you are unnecessarily preoccupying your mind and you're just worrying about the thing yet going to be happen in the future. अभी हुआ नहीं है, but you are just thinking it is yet to happen and you are taking tensions, you are stressed out. We use the proverb, don't cross that bridge till you come to it. जब तक problem नहीं आ जाती, don't overthink. हाँ, if there is a problem, you can see that ये अभी आने वाली है, it is yet to come, and you are like, मुझे इसका possible solution निकालना पड़ेगा. So in that case, you have to worry about. It's not like you have to worry, you have to figure out something, but don't unnecessarily preoccupy your mind. That is not good. So the next is don't count your chickens before they are hatched. And in Hindi this means कुछ अच्छा होने पर तब तक भरोसा मत करे जब तक कि वह असल में हो ना जाए. Don't count on something good happening until it's happened. This means you should not make plans that totally depends on a particular circumstance, a particular thing, that if that happened I have to be like this. Means अभी कुछ अच्छा हुआ नहीं है और आप सोच में पड़ गए कि यार अगर वो होगा तो कैसे होगा, तो मुझे क्या करना है. मतलब आपको ऐसी योजनाएं नहीं बनानी जो अभी वास्तव में हुई ही नहीं है और आप उनके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं, जो टोटली डिपेंड होता है फ्यूचर पे कि वो होगी, अच्छी घटना होगी, उनके प्रति आप जो है योजनाएं बनाने शुरू कर. सो फॉर दैट वी से डोंट काउंट योर चिकन्स बिफोर दे आर हैच्ड. एग्जाम्पल, अ गर्ल डिसाइडेड टू बाय a super classy dress so that she can wear on the day someone proposes her, which is yet to come. So this is a good happening that she's thinking someone will propose to her, and for that she's making plans to buy a dress that is super classy and expensive, and she looks like and she makes it the best day. You are counting on your chickens before they are hatched, so don't do that. So the next is don't bite off more than you can chew. In Hindi this means जितना आप चबा सकते हैं उससे ज़्यादा ना काटें. And this means to try to do too much, to take on or attempt more than what one is capable of. मतलब आप अपनी क्षमता से बहुत ज़्यादा करने का प्रयास करते, मीन्स बहुत अधिक करने की कोशिश करना. You're trying to do more than what you can do. So for that we use Don't bite off more than you can chew. Example, by taking 2 part-time jobs, he is biting off more than he can chew. मतलब उसने एक ही समय में 2 पार्ट टाइम जॉब कर ली है और उससे वो हैंडल नहीं हो. Means he has taken too much on. So the last one was don't bite off more than you can chew. Okay, so we are done with the 6 common proverbs in English. What do they mean in Hindi? So this was a blend of the English and the Hindi session, and I hope I have taken your comments seriously, and I am trying my best to incorporate Hindi also. So here's the tip. You have to comment down, and this is a quiz actually. I am taking a test or just to see how much you have learned from my classes. So what does the proverb means? Come on, be quick. I'm waiting for your comment. Just fill in the blanks and comment down. Don't bite off the hands that feed you. उस हाथ को मत काटो जो आपको खिलाता. Don't burn the candles at both ends. Means मोमबत्ती को दोनों सिरों से मत जलाओ. Don't judge a book by its cover. किसी की भी बाहरी आवरण से आप उसको जज मत करो. बाहरी अपीयरेंस से जज मत करो. वो कैसा दिख रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है, क्या हो सकता है, ये आप मत सोच. Just don't think about it. Don't cross that bridge till you come to it. किसी अच्छे की उम्मीद में आप अपनी तरफ से योजनाएं मत बनाएं जब तक कि वो एक्चुअल में आपके साथ घटना घट नहीं जाए. So unnecessarily अपने आप को बर्डन मत दें. Overthink मत करें. Don't bite off more than you can chew. जितना आप चबा सकते हैं उससे ज्यादा ना काटें. So we are done with the 6 English proverbs that are common with their Hindi meaning. I believe कि मैंने हिंदी और English के इस blend को I just went off with ease and आपको समझ आया होगा. It was easy for you to understand the same. Some people commented that I should use Hindi also, so it is easy for them to understand. So I tried my level best and I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. With this we come to an end to our video. I hope you liked it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share the video. Press the bell icon for notifications. Stay updated. Till the next video, take good care of yourself. See you. Goodbye. And you can always catch me on the Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much.